Welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys ways in which you can unhide a row that has been hidden. So how do we go about it? Let's say we want to hide our row. We'll come over here, select the row that we want to hide, and then we'll right click, and then you can see here we've hidden it. Another way in which you can also do that is by going to your format, and you can see this visibility section where you can hide rows, you can unhide rows. And so I'm just going to hide this. And let's say I want to unhide the row. I come over here and then I click on unhide. So let's say I hide it again. I can also come over here and click on unhide. So guys, that is how you can hide rows that have been hidden in Excel. Thank you guys for watching.